What's up, y'all? It's hot as a motherfucker out here in Texas. It's Rochelle TV. And I'm at... Yep. Let's see what's going on. Adventure ride. Woo, I hope I'm wild, y'all. Alligators out here looking for a bite. Open your mouth. Ah! Ow! Ow! And here got my sponges. Man. But we'll turn around. We'll go back around. We'll get a refund. They left, baby. Chase this shit left me. It's hot around the y'all. Other people went before us. I will have my life jacket on because I cannot swim. Right. We also got Rhino and Doggy on the ride holding it down through the tropical rainforest. We seeing cheetah, the parrots squawking and baby, hey, they gonna move on. Hey, like, y'all see the swing, monkey, swing. Y'all getting this with me? Y'all still with me? And the giraffe, the giant was eating, but it stopped. I need everybody moving. My camera rolling, baby. This for Hollywood, baby. This for the world, baby. Y'all better act like it. Damn, it's cold as fuck. What you doing, nothing? In the rainforest? Up close and personal with my foot tattoo, period. Do something for me. I ain't say nothing. That mind mouth barely moving. We got all my friends on this side, y'all. What you do? Shake your head. Shake your head. Twist your head. Twist your head. Hey. Ooh. My nigga scary. Sure, I gotta do why my sister called my mama in his whole situation. Yeah, get out the car. Yeah, man, you in all the treasure. Period. Follow Rochelle Clayton on all platforms. If you want me to be your host for your event, email me at RochelleClaytonBiz@gmail.com. It's in my bio. Hit me up in my email about the business. Appreciate you. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, follow Rochelle TV.